Hello and welcome to Teach Me Afrikaans. On this channel I will be teaching you Afrikaans, a language commonly spoken in South Africa. The lessons are for anyone who wants to learn Afrikaans. At this stage though, it's mainly for beginners. A little bit about the voice behind the lessons. My name is Lizay and I'm a fully qualified teacher. I obtained my Bachelor of Education in 2013. Currently, I live in Cape Town, South Africa. If you've always wanted to learn Afrikaans, don't hesitate to subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch this introduction. Hope to see you around, and once again, welcome to Teach Me Afrikaans.